Okay, so we're looking at 134A Lockerbie Road. Those of you in on Dumfries will recognise the road, and we've got a ground floor flat, one bed, which is round the back of the building. We come up a private side access. There's a little garden area out the back, which is in need of a little bit of cutting back. We've got some nice trees there offering a bit of shade, somewhere to sit out of an evening. And the flat we're looking at is this one here. It's all been refurbished by our landlord, offered in really good condition. You step into the kitchen, which is fitted with units of base and wall level. We've got a 4-ring gas hob, electric oven. There's an extractor over. You've got a stainless steel sink and drainer. Space and plumbing for a washing machine, under counter space there for a fridge as well. You could possibly get a tall fridge freezer sat in that space too. In here you'll find the cupboard containing the gas boiler and the meters. And the kitchen's got some lovely flooring. It's all in great condition, stepping out that way to the side. And then you come through the internal door and into the living room with new carpets, freshly painted walls, and the window looking out to the back of the property. We step then into an inner hall, which gives access to the bathroom and to the bedroom. Let's start in the bathroom, which has nicely been renovated and fitted out, 3-piece. We've got an electric shower over the bath and a glass shower screen. So lovely bathroom. And then we've got a really generous bedroom, which is at the front of the property. So plenty of room in here for double bed, wardrobes, chest of drawers, etc. Again, freshly painted walls and nice new carpets all laid down. So that's a 1-bedroom flat on Lockerbie Road, available now through Hunters. Please call and get in touch.